Uh-oh, guys. Uh-oh. Is it too early to celebrate? It probably is, but SoFi did have a great week, and we broke over $7 per share today. So we're going to break down the charts, as it has been a couple of days since we've done an update. As you guys obviously know, I'm on vacation. Maybe you don't know. Maybe this is the first time you're watching my channel, but yeah, it's been all over the place here. We haven't been doing many videos, again, on vacation, right? But today we had to break down SoFi, as like I said, it cracked over $7, not by much. In fact, it only hit $7 per share. We'll take a look at that right now, but we can see the entire week was really good. You guys can see here we hit $6.15. I believe this was on Tuesday, right? Yeah, the 9th. Yeah, the 9th of July. So we hit 6.15, and since that point, which I believe that actually was a low on the 4-hour chart. Let me double check that, guys. Yeah, so since we hit that low, we've pretty much been uptrending since. You guys can see the next day we hit 635. Day after that, boom, we held the higher low at 670, and the high on the day yesterday was 695, and today we took out that high again. We hit $7, and we also held a higher low at 680, which you guys can see here. That's kind of the high roughly from yesterday. So we took that high out, pulled back, boom, held it as support, and now we're starting to rally yet again. This is actually really good news. Really good news here on the charts. And as I pull the layers back a little bit, and by the way, the overall stock market today, it's Friday. Happy Friday, guys. But everything was green. The Russell was up another 1.1%. That's breaking out. Triple Q, the NASDAQ 100, 0.6% in the green. Same with the S&P. And the Dow went up. Oh, look at that. The same, 0.6%, as the VIX went down almost 4% on the day. So on SoFi, on the 30-minute chart, we're also at a fresh high. We're above the moving averages. Now we have a golden cross. You guys can see that. And with this week, we took the highs out from the end of June, which is really good for the bulls in the short term. And on the 20-day chart, guys, we're getting there. Mid-7s, 745, we hit that on the 12th of June, right? So that could be where we go in the short term now that we're cracking back over 7. And then if that were to break, who knows? We'll see where it goes from there. Baby steps. As you guys know, SoFi is SoFi. It's a very volatile stock, and it has not been doing well this year. It's down a good chunk year to date. But I've said before, I think a lot of the downside is already priced in. And personally, my average cost is like 670, 680 in that ballpark. So I'm up on the position, which is crazy considering it's down massively. But I didn't start buying the stock until it was in the high 6s anyway, right? I wasn't buying this at 10, 12. Some people were, right? You know, $8, $9. All my buys are pretty much between 6.40 and maybe like $7.20, something like that. But yeah, we're starting to break out here, but I'm not getting too excited quite yet, knowing how this thing has been trading. I mean, look, the reality of the matter is, yes, we are above the moving averages on the longer time frame, the 4-hour chart, but we did this time and time again before, right? Not the poop on the parade or anything here, guys, but look, keeping it real, we broke out of the moving averages, saw a very similar rally back in the beginning, middle of June, and that ended up failing. You guys can clearly see that right here. We did the same thing in the middle of May. That ended up falling shortly after, right? We had a huge run, massive run in the beginning of March, or into the beginning of March, and obviously we saw a big dump off after. Post earnings 2 quarters ago, we had a big pop, boom, dumped off after. Do you guys get the pattern? Are you noticing what the heck's going on here, right? So I'm not too excited at this point. Yes, it is nice. I'm up on the position. Beautiful. I'm liking that. But I would like to see a real breakout. When the heck are we going to get a real breakout. What do you guys think about that, by the way? Let me know in the comments. And guys, run the likes up. 150 likes on this video. I challenge you guys, smash the like button, smash that like button, and make sure to subscribe. I appreciate you all. But yeah, what do you think about that? I think a legitimate breakout will be coming above the mid sevens, right? $8. If we start getting out of there, $8.50, right? That's where we could start legitimately breaking out. But until that point, there's risk here that this could be a bull trap, right? Like, again, like I said, we've hit these points many times. We've tested this downtrend many times, and we have failed to break out. That's the reality. You guys see this, right? So I want to get, like I said, a legitimate breakout. Will we break above $7.50? Will we break $8? Will we take $8.50 out? That would be very good in my eyes. That would constitute a breakout, but we're just not there quite yet. We could be building up to that point. We have earnings around the corner. Hopefully that goes well, right? But we're just not fully there quite yet as of now. And like I said, I think we need to get a big catalyst, earnings beat, revenue beat, guidance out of earnings this go around to move this stock even higher, and we'll see if it happens. Again, let me know what you think in the comments down below. And let's see what ended up moving other than SoFi in the stock market today, guys, very quickly. Then I'll wrap up the video here in a couple of minutes so we can see Groupon ended up moving. Of all names, it was actually the most green on my watch list, one of them at least. So we have a clear cup and handle here on Groupon, clear as day. I mean, you guys see that, right? We have the cup right here, boom. Handles forming. If we take out 1750, 1775, this could be flying, guys. Watch it. GRPN's the ticker. So I'm going to set my alert there, 1775 for now. And let me see what else ended up moving. Of course, Rivian. Of course. You got to love that. Isn't that one funny, guys, right? I bought this stock at like $10. Not a lot of money. It was a speculative position, right? It is what it is. But I bought it at like $10 or maybe even less. I forget. But I sold out for a quick profit, boom, and now we're pushing $18 a share. You guys saw the news, Volkswagen, they did, what was it? They're investing up to $5 billion, so they gave them $1 billion now with up to $5 billion over the next couple of years. But yeah, it's rocketed up big time. And again, it was a pretty insignificant position for me, but still, you gotta love it. You buy a stock, you hold it for a month or two, whatever, take a quick profit, and then it rockets right after that. It's happened to me. It's happened to me before, guys. I'll be honest, and I'm sure it's happened to you as well, right? Smash that like button if that has happened to you. But Rivian, yeah, breaking out pretty good here. We're actually about to test the highs from when the Volkswagen news came out a couple weeks ago. So keep your eyes on that one. Let me see what else ended up moving here today, guys. Tesla's back in the green. I don't know, maybe not for long there. I'll do another video on Tesla at some point in the near future. ARM Holdings ended up rallying. Keep your eyes on these AI stocks, guys. Looks like ARM Holdings went up around 5% today. NVIDIA slowly bouncing back as well. The chart looks interesting. We have a cup and handle kind of forming here on NVIDIA, so watch if that plays out. So yeah, what do you guys think? Again, let me know in the comments. Smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks for Moo with at least a $100 deposit, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. Use that link down below, and full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. Almost forgot to say that, and it helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. I'll catch you in the next one.